Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 7th of February. I'm James Spann. Rain and storms early this morning, tapering off later today. Temperatures going the wrong way. We'll be in the 40s this afternoon and more rain by the weekend. Let's dive in here and talk about it. There's the upper air look across the country early this morning. A trough beginning to form west of the state. A very moist air mass in place here and pretty wet. That was the radar at 426. At that point, heavier storms coming through Tuscaloosa and Birmingham under severe limits, but they're producing very heavy rain, gusty winds, some small hail. That band will keep on dropping to the south this morning and just widespread soaking rain behind that. And it's pretty mild as the day begins. Temperatures are in the low 60s in places like Anniston, the Shelby County Airport, Tuscaloosa, but will be falling today. Temperatures should reach the 40s this afternoon as some of the cold air you see up north drops in here. Little Rock 34, St. Louis 19. But again, the really cold stuff stays up north. And once we get past this cool air pop today, temperatures for the next 7 days look pretty comfortable. There's the watch warning map. Winter storm warnings in effect from Cincinnati up into Maine. Covers much of the northeast United States. Down here, there's a flash flood watch for a strip across central Mississippi, and we note a few severe thunderstorm warning polygons early this morning, but again, the overall severe weather threat for our state pretty low. Still, the SPC maintains a marginal risk of severe storms, areas in darker green there today. The main threat coming from gusty winds, some small hail. The chance of a tornado is not zero, but pretty low. And then on day 3, this is Friday, we've got that green creeping back in here. That's just the chance of general thunderstorms. We might see some thunder by late Friday night, but certainly over the weekend we'll deal with rain and storms at times. And it's a very wet pattern down here. Wettest weather in the country right through the southeast United States where we could use it. The drought levels have been creeping up. They'll be kind of creeping back down after all this. This is suggesting rain amounts in the 3 and 4 inch range for much of central Alabama. This is between now and Wednesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. The troughing developing across the eastern states, again pushing a cold front through here. Got a 1037 millibar high over Omaha, representing some colder air. This is the high-resolution HRRR at noon today. And you can see at that point the bulk of the rain should be south of Interstate 20. And again, maybe some strong storms down in South Alabama. This is the instability at noon. And, of course, we're cold up here at that point, stable air. The main instability is south of U.S. 84 down in extreme South Alabama. So really, I think the better chance of any strong to severe storms this afternoon way down south. And for the northern counties of the state, the rain should be over by midday today, but clouds will linger this afternoon. Now, tomorrow, the sky will be bright and sunny. We start the day around 30, 20s for the colder pockets. The high should be well up in the 50s. I'd say upper 50s in most spots, very seasonal. Friday, we start the day in the 30s. The high should be in the 60s. The winds veering into the south. The sky partially sunny. And we'll mention a small chance of a shower late in the day, but I think most places will be dry. But that's not the case over the weekend. This is Saturday. And again, a broad southwest flow aloft, very moist air mass. We'll have rain and storms to deal with. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Now, I know that a lot of people have things going on outdoors, and there's no way we can tell you exactly when the rain will start and stop at any one given point. But the weekend looks pretty wet. Occasional showers, maybe some thunder. Not really a severe weather look. And a good soaking. Rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches likely this weekend. But it will be comfortable. Highs should be in the mid-60s on Saturday. Some spots may be flirting with 70 on Sunday. So that's one thing going for us, but again, just wet. We go to Monday. The moisture lingers. Nothing to really sweep it out. We'll mention a chance of lingering showers Monday. Cloudy with a high in the 60s. Tuesday, we're trending drier, and if the sun can break out, we might hit 70 or even low 70s on Tuesday. In a week from today, Wednesday the 14th, Valentine's Day, got an upper high over the Gulf, troughing in the southwest United States. And again, that looks kind of moist, a risk of scattered showers, maybe nothing too widespread, pretty mild with highs in the upper 60s. This is the end of the forecast period, end of next week, Friday the 16th, troughing to the north, a cold front coming through with another chance of rain. So you can see this is a very wet, unsettled pattern here. Here's the QPF coming off the GFS for the next 10 days. Very wet amounts here across the deep south. And temperatures looking pretty good. Now, remember the deal today, that high of 62 is coming this morning. We'll be in the 40s this afternoon. But after today, highs in the 50s and 60s and lows mostly in the 30s and 40s. No sign of any brutally cold Arctic air anytime soon. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.